still going on. All this massive inequality that's coming up with all this capitalist structure. Why is it there? Well, the simple answer is that we still don't have the power to oust it. We still don't have the power to change it, to transform it. But when we talk about power, we have to be very clear about by what we mean. We have to think of power more carefully. For many people, power, they feel that power is about, state power. Like, for example, power comes from the empire. So it's the US dictating everything on all of us, or whatever empire you have out there. But let's not forget that when Indonesia and my country, the Philippines, joined WTO, it wasn't because the US is forcing my government to do that. It was the economic managers of my government who believes completely that joining WTO is the way to go. Meaning, once we start blaming